Hey yo, what's up with it? Welcome to another food review. I'm your host Musha, but you already knew that. And where are we at now? Welcome to my very humble studio. Right now it is very plain. I'm still building it up. I actually just barely installed some light bulbs, which um, you know lighting could be better. We're still working on it, but trust me, this is an improvement from my old incandescent lights, probably given to us by the creator of the light bulb himself. But anyway, today we have in store for you Jamaican food. Jamaican me crazy, man. But right off the bat, I'm gonna have to let you guys in on a secret. I've never tasted Jamaican food before, so this is gonna be a very first. You're gonna see my genuine reaction to tasting Jamaican food for the very first time. Let's go! All right, and for the great reveal of where this is from a Jamaican restaurant called Island Spice. Here you have it in all its splendor. Island Spice. It has no lights. It just has 3 signs. None of them light up, which I feel they should really work on these signs, man. These signs, to me, they're just not cutting it. This is one that I have for years driven past back and forth and never looked twice at it until recently. I thought, yo, you know what? I've never had Jamaican food, and I see the spot all the time, especially on the way to the gym. Why don't I give it a try? So again, the place is called Island Spice. Here we have it. I have secured the bag, literally. This is how they serve it to you, in a very, very typical, very ordinary to-go box with the to-go bag. One thing I would like to point out is that this food does not pass the drive test. Ew. I got very lucky that this plastic bag that they put it in was very strong, because this was sitting on my seat. So if it even had a small puncture, my seat would be ruined right now. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've been waiting. The grand reveal of what the Island Spice looks like. By the way, I haven't even seen this myself, so I'll be just as surprised or amazed as you. Oh, brother! Look at that. Right off the bat, visually, these beans and rice look exactly like the beans and rice I typically eat. I actually didn't know what meat it was. I literally asked for the Jamaican barbecue, hot, like hot as in spicy. So there's that. I see some like plantain here. I am not a fan of plantain, but maybe this will change my mind. This seems to be some kind of like their version of coleslaw. I must admit, it does not look, this coleslaw thing does not look appealing to me. The rest of it looks like, yeah, the rest of it looks good. Ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, it is time to dig in and taste. I'm gonna start with the size first and build my way up to that chicken. So I'm gonna start with the beans and rice. And the beans and the rice are mixed together. Very good. That's very good. Yeah, it tastes good. It tastes very very familiar to me. This literally tastes like my mom did this or something. So right there, very good. That's a passing grade. I'm gonna go ahead and dig in to what I call the coleslaw. I don't know what they call it. They just call it veggies. So There you see it. That has a taste that I did not expect. I did not expect that taste. Like, I can't really place it. You know what it tastes like? Like green, like that green bean casserole kind of deal that I see at like Thanksgiving dinner, but we don't ever eat that. We don't make that. But when I've gone to like say white friends Thanksgiving stuff, I'll see like green bean casserole. I think that's what they call it. That's what this tastes like. Very good. And that's what I said didn't look very appealing to me. Now, here's the plantain. I'm not a fan of plantain, but I'm gonna try it out and maybe it changes my mind. Oh wow, that definitely changed my mind. This is really good. It has like it looks like yellowy inside. So this is fried plantain is what I'm assuming. Wow, that actually tastes. This is the first time I've ever had fried plantain and I like it and it tastes good. Wow, that's really surprising to me. And here we go. Now, last but not least, the chicken itself. Here we go. I'm gonna take a big old bite of that. That tastes really good. That tastes really good. The sauce is so smooth. It's like yes, it's there. The sauce is not in your face. Like, I'm tasting the chicken and I'm tasting the sauce. The sauce is not overwhelming the chicken. Now, one thing I do want to note is I asked for like the hot version because there's a hot and a mild. I asked for the spicy one. It is not spicy at all. There is no tinge of spice. I can drink a gallon of that. If that's their spicy, I can drink a gallon of their spicy. No problem. That's really good. That's so good. Yeah. All right. Well, that's the let me see. What's it called? That's the drumstick. But what about the chicken titty? Yeah. Now that is really what we're gonna see. Like, if the chicken titty tastes good or is it dry? The whole skin came off. I did not intend for that to happen. Oh, I'm making a mess. I don't even know it's good. So chicken breast is usually like drier, right? It's like a drier part of the chicken, but they serve enough of the sauce to where you can just keep dipping that chicken in there every single bite, and you're probably not gonna run out of sauce. So they're very loose with their serving of sauce. I love that. I love that there's enough sauce there. The chicken is cooked good. You can see in there. Chicken is cooked good. It's not pink or anything. It's a beautiful shade of white. And you just keep dipping the chicken in the sauce, and there's no dryness to be found. It's time. It's time to give it the rating. Everything all together. I'm giving this. Everything all together. I'm giving this. I'm giving this a 9. I'm giving this a 9 because, and you'd ask me, well, so it's not deserving of a 10? And I'd say no. For me personally, it's not deserving of a 10 because I don't think I'd often be like, I really want to go back. I really want to go back and get it and taste that barbecue chicken plate again. So, but as far as like, if you were to ask me, yo, that Island Spice place, remember that plate you got from there? Was it good? It's very good. It's very good. It's a 9. I don't think it's something that I would crave because it's not something I'm very familiar with. So I'm not gonna be often waking up and being like, yo, I'm craving some of that one plate I had from Island Spice. So for that reason, for me personally, it's gonna be a 9. If you're a fan of Jamaican food, I think you're gonna be very satisfied with this meal. I'm absolutely satisfied. Well, there you have it. That has been a review. Island Spice, 9 out of 10. Very good, delicious food. I would recommend it. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video. If you made it this far, check out my other videos. They should pop up around here. And consider liking and subscribing. Por favor. And vaya con Dios. Thank you.